Hi, friends. We've had some weather that's been above freezing, so I guess from my perspective, pretty warm. So I've been able to get some stuff done. I put these side covers because there was an opening right here between the awning and the back of the cap. And I started putting tape down to waterproof. I still have more to do. I have to do this rail as well. I put a slot here, so all I have to do is slide this part of the awning into the slot, and I no longer have to hold it up with a screw. I do need to find some way to secure this. I've been using Velcro for a number of things. I'm not sure that that's going to work. Velcro is difficult to get to stick to Coroplast, and if you put too much stress on it, it pops off. So I have to say some of my Velcro work that I'm doing is still, it's kind of experimental, and I'm not sure it's going to work. I'm going to go underneath. I have to apologize for really low light conditions here. It's dark, getting dark very early, but let's look underneath. So if you see here and here, I've got some eye screws, and I can use those to close the door. I put fiberglass rods, which are going to be lighter than the hiking poles. And I found a way to hold the inner door up using Velcro, and that's kind of the experiment there. You know, is that going to work? I don't know. So that's using Velcro, and that's in the lower position. In order to get that, I also have to put this in the lower position. So there's the inner door. So there it's closed up. Still need to find a way to hold these in tight. So it's not finished, but that's how it will work. Well, I have it all taped up. I think it's waterproof and ready to go in the rain to test it.